These little flowers use strips of lightweight fabric scraps and some creative gathering to make simple and unique flowers. To start with, you want to fold the fabric strip in half and sew around the perimeter. This step is just to prevent the edges of the flower from fraying over time. After you sew it, you want to turn the fabric to the right side and then press it flat. Now you want to sew a little diamond pattern with a long basting stitch in the center of your fabric rectangle. Pull the thread to gather the base of the flower petals and tie off the thread, and you are already finished. All you have to do now is glue your flower to some kind of hair clip or sew it to a headband or whatever you want to do with your little flowers.